Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to review something that is pure, natural and absolutely essential in your skincare, which is the Wishcare Rose Water. The video is going to be super informative on how to choose the right rose water for your skincare. So stay tuned till the end. The packaging comes in a spray plastic bottle. Nice and sleek. The packaging says it is 100% pure and natural Kannauj Rose Water and it is steam distilled. So now let's move on to the ingredients, which is so very important while choosing rose water for your skincare. This particular product has only one ingredient in them, which is 100% pure steam distilled rose water and nothing else. They have also mentioned it is free from artificial fragrances, and so this is something really natural and pure. So this makes it safe for all skin types, for your skin, hair, and also it is pregnancy safe. And the roses are from Kannauj. You guys, let me sniff this. Oh my goodness, this actually smells like the rose essence that you add to your food while making a rose milk or a rose kheer at home. The rose essence that you added to your food, it smells exactly the same, you guys. The fragrance is so soothing, so natural. I've used so many brands before, like the Forest Essentials Rose Water, Kama Ayurveda Rose Water, Patanjali Rose Water, but none of them smell like this. And the cost of this product is 200 ml is priced at rupees 399, and it smells the best, and I believe it's because of the Kannauj roses. So now, why does it matter that this rose water comes from Kannauj? Well, Kannauj is actually called the perfume capital of India. The roses grown there, known as Desi Gulab or Indian damask roses, are world famous for their fragrances, high oil content and therapeutic benefits. These roses are the same ones used in high-end perfumes and traditional Ayurveda preparations. And another thing that makes this product stand out is the steam distillation process. Steam distillation method is used to extract the rose water. Most cheap rose waters in the market are just water mixed with rose essence or synthetic fragrances. But in steam distillation, fresh rose petals are placed in a distillation unit, and as the steam passes through it, it captures the essential oils and active compounds from the petals. The condensed water you get at the end is pure rose hydrosol. This means the rose water contains all natural antioxidants, soothing properties and vitamins. No dilutions, no chemicals, just pure plant goodness. What does it mean for your skin and hair? It hydrates and refreshes instantly without leaving stickiness. It balances your skin's pH and helps to calm redness or irritation, and adds a soft natural fragrance. So after cleansing my face with a face wash, I go a nice spritz on my face. This kind of tones my skin. Rose water is something that is essential in my skincare routine. It instantly refreshes my skin, keeps the oil away, and I absolutely love using this in my skincare routine. So my final thoughts would be, if you want a rose water that is authentic, natural, pure, steam distilled with all the natural goodness in it at an affordable price, then definitely go for the Wishcare Kannauj Rose Water. I hope the video would have been helpful in some way. And this video is not at all sponsored. This is my honest opinion on the Wishcare Kannauj Rose Water, which I absolutely love. I want you guys to try this as soon as possible. This video is not at all sponsored. This is my honest opinion on the Wishcare Kannauj Rose Water. I really liked it, from selecting the roses from Kannauj to putting them into steam distillation method and giving you the best of natural beauty. So this product is definitely a must try. I hope this video would have been helpful in some way. Until then, next time, take care.